Hi guys, we got a very special property to look through today. Beautifully designed, definitely worth having a look through. Welcome to another listed by Jiby Thomas. Today we are at 18 Twin Meadow Drive here in Sticks. Let me show you around. Offering 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, definitely the design and ceiling height is something special. Built to a very high spec, high windows, multiple sliding doors opening up to the deck and great indoor-outdoor floor, ducted heating system with 5-zone control, tiled showers and more. As you can see, this is a very spacious home. Definitely worth coming to the open home, having a look. I'm Jiby Thomas from Ray White. I'll see you guys at the open homes.